Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I am a super huge fan of dates. I want to show you these really awesome ones. These are organic by Mariani. These are California dates. They are pre-pitted, which is nice, and they are so good. So this is what they look like. They are a nice size date. And like I said, they don't have the pits in them, so you can just pop these in your mouth. Even though this is a dried fruit, it is not dried out. They still have a lot of moisture and they taste amazing. So I absolutely love to snack on dates. They can really satisfy a sweet tooth in a natural way. So these are just simply dried dates. There's no preservatives, there's nothing added to it, and they literally taste like you're eating candy. They're so sweet. I love to use these in recipes. I love to fill them with goat cheese and roast them. They're super good that way, or you can literally just eat them out of the bag and you're gonna be really happy about it. So if you're looking for a very high quality organic pitted date, definitely check these ones out. They are so delicious. You will really love these. That's my point of view.